Hello there. Unlike other development boards, this esp8266 node MCU has only one analog input. Normally, we can't read multiple analog values using a single pin, but we can read multiple values by a trick. So in this video, let's see how to do that. This video is sponsored by utsource.net. Utsource is a professional electronic component distributor. You can find almost any components from their site. All link is in the description. Here I am going to read 3 analog values. For that I am using 2 capacitive soil moisture sensor and an LDR. This is the circuit where you can see I connected negatives of all sensors to the ground, and the positives of each sensor I connected to digital pins of node MCU. So we can turn on each sensor by turning on the corresponding digital pin. The output of each sensor I connected to analog pin through a diode. Suppose we need to read the data from the LDR. For that, just turn on the LDR by turning on the corresponding digital pin, that is the D4. And at the same time we read the analog value. Such a way we get the analog value of LDR. Next we need to read the data of the soil moisture. So now we turn on the digital pin 2 and turn off other digital pins. So now we get the data from the soil moisture sensor. Here diodes helps to avoid overlapping of data. So this is the working principle. Now let's build the circuit. First I placed node MCU in the breadboard, and I connected sensors and other components according to the circuit. Here I am using the blynk app to visualize the reading. If you want to know how to set up the blynk app, then watch my previous video. After finishing the circuit, let's upload the code. So this is the code. First I included the libraries, then I gave the blynk token, also the Wi-Fi credentials. And in the loop section, first I turned on D1 and turned off D2 and D4. So we get the readings of first soil moisture sensor. Next, to read the second sensor, I turned on D2 and turned off D1 and D4, and finally turn on D4. After getting these values, I send these values to the blynk server. That's it. Now you can see the working. You can download code and schematics from the link given in the description. So that's all about today. Hope you enjoyed and learned something from my video. If so, please like, share and subscribe. All up to you. I will see you next time.